Hi there, it's your local librarian aide, Emily. The Marathon Public Library is coming to you virtually to let you know about the TD Summer Reading Club. This year, we are going to be more online based to ensure everyone has an opportunity to participate. Either you've joined in previous years or maybe this is your first year. Here's how the club works. Starting July 21st, you can register at the library to pick up your free club materials. Keep in mind they will say 2020, but no need to panic. Due to COVID-19, last year, the entire club was held online, seeing as all the materials were already printed, we're being environmentally friendly and using them again. Your kit will include these activity notebooks. There's one for kids under 5 and one for kids 6 to 12. This is where you log all the materials you've read or listened to over the summer. Your kit will also include these 12 stickers. You'll get the entire sheet, and when you complete a page in your notebook, you or your parent can reward you with a progress sticker. You'll also get access to a code that you can use to access the official TD Summer Reading Club website. It's a unique code, so you can save all your info without entering any personal information. Our main goal is to ensure that everyone wanting to participate in the Summer Reading Club has equal opportunities. Although we are online based, we are providing hard copies of the notebooks, as well as some different activities that could be picked up at the library once advertised. For the individuals who are staying completely virtual, you are still able to gain rewards, try new activities, and so much more with your online notebook. This is how you get started online. Whether you're in Google or Safari, you're going to go ahead and type in TD Summer Reading Club. Once it loads, you're going to go and press the first link that is not an advertisement. And then once you go ahead and press it, it's going to bring you to this very colorful page. At the top right hand corner, you're going to press login. If you got a hard copy of the book, you would have gotten a sticker with a code. This is where you would go ahead and type that in. If not, you'll go and click that blue link where it brings you to a new code. You can press next and then follow the few instructions below. Create a funny, cool nickname, whichever you would like. For me, I just did a very simple, so it's something to remember. Your location will be Ontario, and then your library. You could scroll through and look, or type in Marathon Public Library, as you can see here. After you're done, you're going to go to next, and make sure that you keep your nickname and code available at all times, as it will be your login information from now on if you do happen to get logged out. And then once you've got that all written down, you're gonna press done, and you will be taken to the main screen with all your fun information, different activities, books, everything like that. And then up at the top right again, that is your personal notebook where you could write down jokes, create stories, and so much more fun stuff. Once you've completed everything, you can now officially begin the Summer Reading Club. Get out and read, try new things, and most importantly, have fun!